We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
I hate Joseph Ling. And so today we should talk about something that is sort of serious because recently we just had the Tomb Sweeping Day, 也就是我们的清明节，又称为扫墓节哦。那我想说，因为前一阵子真的很多人都有去扫墓哦，所以我们来教一些客家的单字呢，是跟扫墓当时会发生的一些事情啦，还有扫墓怎么讲啦，比如说用
瓜字
啊，瓜字。我今天不太想要开玩笑，可是你为什么要跟我讲瓜子呢？我不要吃瓜子。
没吃东西给瓜子哦。
哦，不是哦，
瓜字。
瓜字那是什么？这跟扫墓有什么关系啊？
有啊，
什么关系？
他刚你扫墓就是瓜字啊。
Oh, are you serious? Okay, so that's how you say tomb sweeping in Hakka. 瓜字，我们听起来像瓜子一样，可是
瓜子是瓜字。
瓜字 ，Okay, that's a seed that you can eat. Okay, 瓜字 Okay, that's tomb sweeping. And when you're doing tomb sweeping, of course, the reason you're doing it is because you want to pay respect, do a little bye-bye to your ancestors. 要拜祖先嘛，对不对？
拜祖先。
不是王祖贤哦，是拜祖先哦。
拜祖先。
Okay, that means paying respect or doing the bye-bye, as we say it in Chinese, to your ancestors. Also, you know, the Tomb Sweeping Day is very important in the Chinese culture because it's another chance for family members to gather together again. 清明节当然很重要，另外一个原因不只是因为要拜祖先，而且这是家人又可以在团圆，聚在一起的一个节日。所以团圆又怎么说呢？
团圆。
团圆 Okay, that's a gathering, Alice, that, you know, when you do the 瓜字 right?
瓜字
What do you guys do? 你们通常在做这个扫墓的时候，有没有什么样的东西要带去啦？
有啊。
有什么？
我带一条拜拜用的东西。
拜拜用的东西 OK
像鸡肉。
鸡肉鸡肉吗？
错
OK
有猪肉。
猪肉水果I am so good at Hakka right now, but these are some of the things that people bring to the tomb when they do their bye-bye, and that includes bringing chicken, bringing pork, and of course, plenty of fruits. So there you go, a little review of what has happened recently, the Tomb Sweeping Day, and hopefully next year, you know how to use some of these words in your Hakka speech, all right? That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.